Okay guys, sharing time again. So welcome to Boy Bukas Toy Box. And I'm going to share to you guys another cool comics haul.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
I think this been released like 2 or 3 weeks ago already, but just happened that I found it and this is what I got. So so this is another cool Ghost Rider, The Final Vengeance #1 by Percy Kim and Balanza. I like the way I mean like the cover art here. That's why I pick it up. So this is by Jeff Balanza front cover. Everything is looking good. The artwork is definitely cool. It's a great story to follow and start collecting. So that's one. And the X-Men Forever #1. So cover art by Brooks. I like how the splash of blood. That's great. The Phoenix here. So this, I find it really cool, so I pick it up. So but there's nothing much special on this issue, but I guess it's a good start also to continue reading this series. So not too sure or I miss it, but I don't find any variant cover art, so this is the only one I pick on this issue. And of course artwork by Will. So actually this is what I'm really hunting for, and everything it just comes out. So I'm happy I got a chance to grab this cable #1 and cover art by Wills. So happy to have this. So I think let's make it special. That's artwork by Wills. If you're a fan of that guy, I'm sure you're looking for this. So far so good. Look at that, nice art. And of course, if you want to go back to 90s, Wildstorm when eBay starting, right? And Clay. For some reason I forgot the full name, but she's a part of the Team 7. That's really a great story. I love it. So that's why I'm really excited to start reading this. But there's a lot of stories going on this one, so it's pretty cool. 30th anniversary special from Wildstorm. And the rest is just all those free comics, like a preview of all the things that gonna happen in the next month or so. So if you wanna watch out for these releases, so it's a good source. Like this one, Ninja Turtles in the front, make it really cool, right? So really a lot of nice story or series coming. And for some DC, also have it here, and a lot of another Marvel pre-Marvel must-have. Okay, so I guess they were releasing this every month. Just releasing pre-issue, so you can just keep grabbing it in your favorite comic store. Okay, so there you go guys. Once again, thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Peace out. Boom.